Good morning, councillors. Good morning to all your partners, members of your family, political dignitaries. I believe that this is a moment in the history of this town that will be and could be marked as a watershed moment in the history of this town. This council in this term will have the responsibility to ensure political stability, to ensure administrative stability, to ensure that Knysna becomes a first tourist destination in the Garden Route, to ensure that we establish social cohesion, to ensure that we promote a strategic plan for the town. And the reason why I'm saying this is that the previous term, we can say that we have a very unstable administrative environment. In the former 5 years of office of the council, we had 4 mayors, we had 11 municipal managers, we had 8 director community services. And I think that you have the responsibility as councillors to ensure that this town and your voters just get the best. And we need political leadership, we need administrative leadership, and I hope that you will take your task very seriously. It is in terms of the legislation, as the acting municipal manager, I had to commence the first meeting, and I would like to thank our staff. They indeed, if I look at the parade this morning, they indeed planned this as an auspicious occasion. So, having said that, just a few house rules. I would like all of you to put your cell phones on silent, please. And at this point in time, I would like all of us to have a silent moment of meditation. Thank you, councillors. Yeah, I would like to request, due to the COVID regulations, I would like you to keep your mask at all times on, except when you are speaking. So, without further ado, I will now I believe all the councillors received the agendas for this meeting. I think it's affirmative. I don't know if the representatives of the Department of Local Government is here and of SALGA. Okay. So we have representatives of the Department of Local Government, Provincial Department of Local Government, and of SALGA here. The first item on the agenda is the inauguration of councillors, and I would like to call upon our manager, legal services, to officiate the inauguration of councillors. Melanie?
Thank you, MM. Councillor K. Celeste Andrews. Councillor Andrews, are you going to take an oath or an affirmation? If you can put your left hand on the Bible and the right hand up and just, no, I will hold it for you. And if you can repeat after me. I, K. Celeste Andrews,
I, K. Celeste Andrews,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
as the member of the Nisa Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor.
Can I just request that if we want to acknowledge the inauguration by virtue of the clapping of hands, that we do it after the last councillor has been inaugurated, because otherwise it will take us a very long time.
Councillor Russell Warren Arons. Good morning, Councillor Arons. Oath or affirmation?
Excuse me, Councillor, if there's a little bit of separation between you two, you can take off your mask.
Margaretha Susan Campbell. Good morning, Councillor Campbell. Affirmation. I, Margaretha Susan Campbell,
I, Margaretha Susan Campbell,
hereby solemnly declare
hereby solemnly declare
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
Thank you, Councillor Campbell. If you can sign that for me, please. And the date. Councillor Charlie, oath or affirmation? Oath. Left hand on the Bible, right hand up for us, please. I, Lungelwa Beauty Charlie,
I, Lungelwa Beauty Charlie,
hereby swear
hereby I swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
and will obey, respect, and uphold
I will obey and respect and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all the other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
as the member of the Nisa Municipality Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor Charlie. You can sign that for us there, please, and the date. Thank you. Boardroom, if you can sign and date for us. Councillor Kumarwana, oath for affirmation. Oath. Left hand on the Bible, right hand up for us, please. I, Mboneli Kumarwana,
I, Mboneli Kumelwana,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa,
and will obey, respect, and uphold
will obey and respect and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
as the member of the Nisa Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor. If you can sign and date for us, please. I, Julie Ann Lopes,
I, Julie Ann Lopes,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
and will obey, respect, and uphold
I will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my
to
functions
perform my functions
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
to the best of my
to
ability.
the best of my ability.
So help me
So
God.
help me God.
Sign and date for us, please. Thank you, Councillor. Councillor Neil Glenn Lowe. Councillor Lowe, oath for affirmation. Oath. Thank you. Left hand on the Bible, right hand up for us, please. Right hand in here. I, Neil Glenn Lowe,
I, Neil Glenn Lowe,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey and respect and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
as a member of the Nisa Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You can sign and date for us, Councillor Lowe. Thank you, Councillor. I, Alberto Ricardo Mabi,
I, Alberto Ricardo Mabi,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor Mabi. If you can sign and date for us, please. Councillor Matika, oath or affirmation? I, Tando Charles Matika,
I, Tando Charles Matika,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey and respect and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor Matika. Sign and date for us, please, Jackie.
Thank you. What's the date? 2020.
Councillor Elmarie Maxim. I, Elmarie Maxim,
I, Elmarie Maxim,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor Maxim. Sign and date for us, please. Ndile Ernest Petros. I, Pendile Petros,
I, Pindile Petrus,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, the respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly
I
promise
solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as the member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You can sign and date for us, please, Councillor.
Both.
Just sign for us there. Thank you. Thank you, Councillor. Affirmation. Oath. I, Sharon Teresa Sabach,
I, Sharon Teresa Sabach,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Sign and date for us, please, Councillor Sabah. Councillor Msidisi David Skosana. Councillor Skosana, oath. I'm Sidisi David Skosana,
I'm Nedisi David Skosana,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa,
and will obey, respect, and uphold
obey and respect and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my function
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the National Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Sign and date for us, please, Councillor Skosana.
Come, Strobel. I'm your role model. What's the date?
1511.
Come, I'm your role model. Come.
Thank you, Councillor Skosana.
Come.
Councillor Hilton Romeo Tashwell Strubel.
Yes, thank you.
Ja, ik weet. I, Hilton Romeo Tashwell Strubel,
I, Hilton Romeo Teshwell Strubel,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Sign and date for us, Councillor Strubel. Chengwa. I, Ndoda Aubrey Chengwa,
I, Ndoda Obritsengwa,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
and will obey, respect, and uphold
I will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my function
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor Chengwa. Sign and date for us, please. (15:11). Oh, the affirmation, Councillor. Oops. Right hand up. I, Cleone Vanston,
I, Cleo Lanston,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa.
and will obey, respect, and uphold
I will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You can sign and date for us, please, Councillor Vanston. Thank you. Jason Garth White. I, Jason Garth White,
I, Jason Garth White,
hereby swear
hereby swear
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and will obey, respect, and uphold
and will obey, respect, and uphold
the Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my functions
to perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Councillor White. Sign and date for us, please. Thank you.
And uphold
The Constitution
the Constitution
and all other laws of the Republic.
and all other laws of the Republic.
And I solemnly promise
And I solemnly promise
to perform my
to
functions
perform my functions
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
as a member of the Knysna Municipal Council
to the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You can sign and date for us, please, Councillor Williamson. Acting Municipal Manager or councillors has duly been sworn in.
Thank you. We can now give a hand of applause to the councillors. Thank you, Melanie. We will move now to item 3 on our agenda, the establishment notice of Knysna Municipality, and this is for noting. As the Manager Administration, Mr. Matthias, indicated to you on the preparation meeting last week and Thursday, that we would recommend that you keep this inaugural agenda. The establishment notice determined that Knysna is a municipality, a local municipality with a mayoral executive system. And this means that the system of local government, which allows for the exercise of the executive authority through an executive mayor in whom the executive leadership of the municipality is vested and who is assisted by a mayoral committee. Further to that, the municipality is also established with it's a combined executive system and a ward participatory system. And the ward participatory system means a system of local government which allows for matters of local concern to wards to be dealt with by committees established for wards. So this is at this point in time for noting. We have in your agenda annexure that you can already read through in terms of that. In terms of item 4 on the agenda, the code of conduct for councillors. Just to mention a few critical issues within the code of conduct. A councillor must perform the functions of office in good faith, honesty, and in a transparent manner. Voting at meetings, a councillor may not vote in favor or agree to a resolution which is before the council or a committee of council which conflicts with any legislation applicable to local government. A councillor must attend each meeting of the municipal council and of a committee of which that councillor is a member, except when there is leave for absence. A municipal council may impose a fine as determined by the standing rules of order. A councillor must disclose to the municipal council or to any committee of which that councillor is a member any direct or indirect personal or private business interest that that councillor or any spouse, partner, or business associate of that councillor may have. A councillor may not use the position or privileges of a councillor. When elected or appointed, a councillor must within 60 days declare in writing to the municipal manager the following financial interest held by that councillor in terms of clause 8. Full-time councillors who may not undertake any other paid work except with the consent of the municipal council. A councillor may not request, solicit, or accept any reward, gift, or favor for voting in a particular manner. Councillor may not, without the permission of the municipal council or the committee, disclose any privileged or confidential information. A councillor may not, except as provided by law, interfere in the management or administration of any department of the municipal council unless mandated by council. give or purport or give any instruction to any employee of the council except when authorized to do so. Obstruct or attempt to obstruct the implementation of any decision of the council or a committee by any employee of the council, or encourage or participate in any conduct which should cause or contribute to maladministration in the council. A councillor may not use, take, acquire, or benefit from any property or asset owned, controlled, or managed by the municipality to which that councillor has no right. A councillor may not be in arrears to the municipality for rates and services charges for a period longer than 3 months. If the Speaker of a municipal council on reasonable suspicion is of the opinion that the provision of this code has been breached, the Speaker must authorize an investigation of the facts and circumstances of the alleged breach. That is just a few extracts. I will request that you go through this because this is a very important document or extract from the legislation. That's just also for noting. I assume that all councillors present have signed the attendance register, Namtla. Can I get confirmation? Yes, good. Then we will go to item 5 on our agenda. This is in the Bible within the operations of council, the rules of order, and at this point in time, this is also for noting. It is in your agenda, the rules of order, and what we, the administration, normally do. We have a copy of that rules of order in every council meeting available for councillors. Right, let us move to the more important business of today, and that is for the election of Speaker. I will, in the packs that we handed out to all councillors, yes, Councillor?
Greetings to everyone. May I stand or sit?
Stand, please.
Okay. Thank you, Chair. Chair, I know through the rules of order, rule number 4 allows you to share this meeting, which in due respect, I respect that, because it's one of our rules that we need to obey with. Chair, if you will allow me, as I've introduced myself on Friday, that I'm an acting chief whip of the ANC. Allow me, Chair, before we enter to the item of electing a speaker, just for 5 minutes to meet with my caucus, if you may allow me. Thank you.
Councillor, your requests are allowed. So you will have 5 minutes. We will expect the caucus of the ANC back at 10 to 10.
Thank you, Chair.
Skosana, I will give you opportunity now. Let us just get a little bit of order in the council chambers. Everybody got their seats? Good. Councillor Skosana, you asked for a caucus. Do you?
Thank you, MM, for allowing to have a caucus. Yes, MM, we did indulge. I'm very sorry to be late with seconds, but thank you for allowing us to go on caucus. I will sort out my watch, MM.
Thank you. As indicated before the caucus, Councillor Charlie.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Patriotic Alliance, we would love to have a 30 minutes caucus.
Councillors, we have a long agenda that is packed for today. So I will allow a 10-minute caucus. 30 minutes is a little bit long, and it will hold us up. Yes, Councillor Chengwa?
No, MM, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. MM, I think it's going to be proper. It's going to be proper for yourself as the chair of this meeting to allow the Patriotic Alliance to have its own caucus. And I'm quite sure they've got other issues which they want to resolve. Maybe instead of 30 minutes, if we can make it 20 minutes, I think it's going to be proper. You know, MM, that's, yeah, thank you.
Councillor Chengwa, thank you. As you are aware that it's a give and take in the coalition talks, and I will allow a 15-minute caucus break. Councillor Charlie, your caucus has been allowed.
15.
10:15, and if you Yes, sorry, Councillor Chengwa?
Wasn't it Councillor Charlie?
No, I just asked him to sit down. Councillor Charlie, you asked for a caucus. Can we proceed?
Thank you, my Honorable MM. Yes, we are back. We can continue. Thank you.
Thank you, councillors. So this brings me to the election of the Speaker. Agenda item number 6. In your packs that we handed out to you on Thursday, we've also included nomination forms for a Speaker, and I will now call for nominations for a Speaker for the Council, the Municipal Council of Knysna. Councillor Matika.
Thank you very much, MM. My name is Councillor Matika. I would like to nominate Councillor Ncedisi Nciki Ntloko Skosana for the position of the Speaker of the Council. Thank you very much.
Do we have a second for that nomination?
No, thank you very much, MM, once again. MM, I would like to second that proposal that Councillor Skosana must take us as the Speaker of the town. Thank you.
Thank you. Other nominations? Councillor Sabah? Is there any second for that nomination?
Peter Bester, second that nomination. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Councillor Lau.
Thanks, MM. As a disciplined member of the Economical Freedom Fighters, in this process of electing a Speaker, the EFF is going to abstain from taking part in the election of a Speaker.
Councillor Lowe, we are not at that point yet in the process, but thank you for informing the meeting about your intent. I just need to check if the nominations is in line with the procedures. Carl, I just want to check in terms of the nomination submitted by Councillor Matika. I had it that Councillor Chengwa was the seconder for this nomination. I've got on the paper Councillor Petros as the nomination, so as the seconder. So maybe we can just. And then there is also not a date on this one. So, Carl, maybe you can just get the correct. No, but I have it in writing now, so we must fix it.
I'm saying MM, due to his sign in that form, can you allow us to him to speak because his details is there, Mr. Councillor Petros?
Yes.
I, Mr. Pindile Enes Petros, I second that Mr. Skosana could be the speaker. Thanks.
Councillor Chengwa, I would like to request then that you withdraw your second from this nomination.
No, thank you very much, For record purposes, I withdraw. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I do have 2 nomination forms for the position of Speaker. I assume there's none else. So the nomination, one nomination is the nomination of Julie Ann Lopes, and the other nomination is for Councillor Skosana. Carl, in terms of the procedure, do we have ballot papers there that you will hand out? The ballot papers, there is a ballot box. I will then appoint Mr. Carl Matthias and Jill as the election officers, and I will appoint Carl Matthias and Melanie Paulson as the counting officers for this process. Carl, you may issue each councillor with a ballot paper. I will also arrange that each party, due to the small space, that we have also observers, political or party council observers here. I will allow for 2 observers to observe. Councillor Campbell.
Thank you, Acting MM. Are the names of the 2 nominees on the ballot papers?
Yes. On the ballot papers. No, I will request that each councillor write on the ballot paper the names. There's 2 nominations, Councillor Lopes and Councillor Skosana. That will be my ruling. Yes, Councillor?
It's supposed to be a secret ballot. Now, if we have to write the names, it's very easy to identify who voted for whom or who didn't vote by our handwritings. I would request, it's not going to take a lot of extra time, that either the officials write the names on the ballot papers or that it gets printed on them, so that all that the councillors have to do is put a cross behind the relevant name. Because the moment you've got somebody's handwriting, it's not a secret ballot and it's identifiable.
Yeah, it's that is this. All of you are new councillors, so I don't know if there is people that you can the handwriting. The councillors will not see the ballots. Councillor Charlie and Councillor Davis, and who else? Let me acknowledge Councillor Charlie, Councillor Davis, yes?
Yes.
And Councillor Chengwa.
Yes, thank you, Your Honour. I think I'm going to second what Councillor Campbell have just said now. I seconded her.
Good. Is support?
Thank you, Davi. Just to correct you, we're not all new councillors. Some of us are second-term councillors. And some of us actually have unidentifiable writing. So I think we need to
Okay,
go
thank
with
you.
that.
I think you support that motion. Yes, Councillor Skosana?
No,
Chengwa.
in the interest of time, I think let's just do what these colleagues are raising, Yeah, I think that's basically what we need to do, Write the names of the candidate, we just want to put cross. I can see Susan is speaking, I'm not sure why he's so scared.
Councillor,
Yeah,
thank you, councillors. The administration is busy writing the 2 names on the ballot. So you will get a ballot paper with two names, and you can just mark next to the name that you will vote for. Councillors, I've just checked, there's 21 ballots. There is, all the ballots has been stamped, so I will hand it over now to the administration, to Carl, to hand it over, to hand it out. He indicated he abstained, so. Is Councillor Matika the last councillor to vote? Just in terms of observers, can we have one? Yes, Councillor Sabah? Another observer? Councillor Matika. Councillor Sabah and Councillor Matika will observe the counting process. Thank you very much, observers and counting officers. I received the results of the votes. The councillors voted in favor of Councillor Skosana is 10, and the councillor voted in favor of Councillor Lopes is 10. So we have a tie, and in terms of the Schedule 3 of the regulation, if only 2 candidates are nominated or if only 2 candidates remain after elimination procedure has been applied and those 2 candidates receive the same number of votes, a further meeting must be held within 7 days at a time determined by the presiding officer. Councillors Tengwa, Councillor Marby and Councillor Skosana.
Thank you very much, Chairperson. Chairperson, thank you very much for the results. Chair, before we postpone the meeting, if we're going to postpone, I would really want to ask for another 10 minutes caucus. 10 minutes caucus, Chairperson. Thank you very much.
Councillor Tsengwa, the voting process has been concluded, and I, as the chairperson, don't have any other option but to postpone the meeting within 7 days, and I will give notice to councillors on the appropriate day and time and venue. Thank you very much.